Hi, did you know that over 80% of students lose marks in English language simply because they do not understand the basics? Let's fix that today. Now, in your English language paper, where do you lose marks? To excel in ICSE English Language Paper 1, you should avoid common mistakes. That is crucial. What are the pitfalls that you should watch out for? Firstly, mistakes in the essay section. What are the mistakes committed by the students? Irrelevant content. How not to do that? Stick to the topic. Avoid digressions. Ensure that your essay aligns with the theme given. Secondly, weak introduction and conclusion. Begin with a strong statement or a quote. Very bland openings and abrupt endings can reduce your marks. Remember that. Thirdly, improper format. For example, for narrative, descriptive, argumentative, or story writing essays, follow the correct style. Misplacing paragraphs or neglecting transitions weakens the structure, and thereby you will lose marks. Word limit. Either you're crossing the word limit or you're not writing as per the word limit. Exceeding or underusing the word limit reflects poor planning. Therefore, you will lose marks. Repetition. Avoid ideas and phrases. Repeated manner. Writing in a repeated manner. To create the reader's interest. Totally avoid redundant old ideas. Now, issues in letter writing section. Incorrect format. For formal and informal letters, follow the required structure, the salutation, address, subject line, complimentary, close of the letter. Secondly, tone. Misalignment of the tone. Use a formal tone for formal letters, a conversational tone for informal ones. Do not mix both the styles. Thirdly, unclear purpose. State the purpose of the letter clearly in your opening paragraphs. How, when, where, what. Then we come to comprehension. What are the pitfalls here? Misinterpreting questions. Read the comprehension questions carefully. Answer precisely. You don't have to write the whole summary. Answers should be in your own words, wherever required, except when asked to quote directly. Remember that. In your own words, except when asked for direct quotes. Skipping grammar. Rephrasing sentences. Rephrase your sentence properly. Then we come to the grammar section. errors in tense, subject-verb agreement, punctuation can cost marks. Incorrect spellings, frequent spelling errors shows your lack of attention, thus will reduce your marks. Limited vocabulary. Vocabulary should be good. Use varied, precise vocabulary, avoiding repetitive words like good or nice. Coming to the Pressy, where most of you lose your marks. Write concise and precise summaries within the word limit. Not a word extra, not a word more. Stick to the required word count. Focus on the main points without copying full sentences from the passage. Then we come to general mistakes. Untidy handwriting. Ensure legibility, as poor handwriting can frustrate the examiner, as he or she is unable to read what you have written. How will he or she allot you marks? Do not skip questions. Attempt all questions and ensure that you have answered each and every one, parts and subparts. Partial answers will fetch you partial marks. Remember that. Ignoring instructions. Follow specific instructions, reading formats, word limits, and question requirements. Poor time management. Allocate enough time for each section so that you finish, you conclude. Draw a line after every answer that you have written. That will help you to avoid all the rush and leaving questions unanswered. Always leave 5 to 10 minutes to review your answer sheet. Check your spellings, punctuations, grammatical errors. By keeping these points in mind, you can minimize errors and maximize your marks in your language paper. So thank you for watching. Follow me for such clear concept ideas, basic tricks and tips to score more marks, because English is not a tough nut to crack. You're not alone. By following this video, you will have all the clarity you need to ace your examinations. Thank you for watching.